Good morning students. Today we study chapter 2 addition. Yesterday we discussed the addition. Now we study properties of addition. Properties of addition. First, order property. Order property. In a order property, we change the number in any order, but the result is not changed. We change the number in any order, the result is not changed. That property is called order property. That property is called order property. For example, 428 plus 323. 428 plus 323. First we add 428 plus 323. Then we add 8 plus 3, 11, carrying 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. Then 4 plus 3, 7. Then I change this number 323 write in first, then 428 write in second. Again 323 write in first, 428 write in second. Then we add 3 plus 8, 11, carrying 1. 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 1, 5. Then 3 plus 4, 7. Here the answer is same. There is no change in the result. This property is called order property. This property is called order property. Then second property is grouping property. Second property, grouping property. In a grouping property, we change the order in any group, but the final result is not changed. The final result is not changed. For example, 147 plus 325 plus 213. Then first I change this order. First I group this number. 147 plus 325, this, then plus 213. First we add 147 and 325. 147 plus 325. Then 7 plus 5, 12, carrying 1. 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. Then 1 plus 3, 4. Then this answer right here 472. Then add 213. Then add 2 plus 3, 5. 7 plus 1, 8. 4 plus 2, 6. Then next I group this 325 plus 213 in first. 5 plus 3, 8, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 5. Then 538 plus 147. Here 8 plus 7, 15, carrying 1. 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 1, 8, 5 plus 1, 6. Look here, 685 and here 685 are same. First I change 147 plus 325 plus 213. Then the final answer is 685. Here I change 325 plus 213 in first add, then the final 538 plus 147 is equal to 685. The final result is same. This property is called grouping property. This property is called grouping property. Next, property of 0. Third property, property of 0. Here we add any number to 0. We add any number to 0. The result is the number itself. The result is the number itself. For example, 47 plus 0 is equal to 47. Then 4378 plus 0 is equal to 4378. Understand? Again, 145 plus 0 is equal to 145. Understand this? Understand? Next, property of 1. You add, in a property of 1, we add any number with 1. The result is the successor of the number or just after the number. Just after the number. Here, for example, 476 plus 1. What is the result? 477. Understand? 99 plus 1 is equal to 100. This property is called property of 1. Then estimation value, estimated value. Estimated sum value. Here round of nearest 10. Round of nearest 10. In previous class, we studied the round of nearest 10. In round of nearest 10, which place we look? Ones place. Which place we look? Ones place. Again 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Come in ones place. There is no change in tens place. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Come in ones place. 1 add to the tens place. 1 add to the tens place. For example, 123 plus 345. Then you make it 2 column, estimated sum and actual sum. 2 column we make a estimated sum and actual sum. First 123, round of nearest 10, which place we see? Then ones place. Here you underline the ones place. Here which digit come in ones place? 3 come in ones place. There is a change in tens place? No, there is no change in tens place. We write ones place 0, tens place 2 or then 100 place 1. Then next number 345. We look which place? Ones place. Here which digit come here? 5. 5 come here. There is a change in tens place? Yes, we change in tens place. 1 add to the tens place. Then ones place 0, tens place 5, then 100 place 3. Then add this number. Understand? 0 plus 0, 0, 2 plus 5, 7, 1 plus 3, 4. This is our estimated sum. In actual sum, 123 plus 345. Then add 3 plus 5, 8, 2 plus 4, 6, 1 plus 3, 4. What is our answer? 468. Understand? One more example. Yes, write down. 495 plus 316. Okay. Again you make two columns. Estimated column, estimated sum. Here which actual. Then 495. Round off nearest 10. Which place we look? Ones place. Yes, ones place. Here which digit come in ones place? 5 come in ones place. There is a change in tens place. Yes, there is change in tens place. Then we write ones place 0, tens place 9 plus 1, 10. And 0 carrying 1, 5. Understand next number 316. We look which place? Ones place. Which digit come in ones place? 6 come in ones. There is a change in tens place? Yes. Then ones place 0, tens place 2, then 100 place 3. Then add this number 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 2, 2, 5 plus 3, 8. Understand? Then actual sum 495 plus 316. 5 plus 6, 11, carrying 1. 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 1, 11, carrying 1. Then 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 1, 8. Understand? Then estimated sum in nearest round of nearest 100. Round of nearest 100. Round of nearest 100, we look which place? Tens place. We look tens place. What are the digits come in tens place? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 come in tens place. There is no change in 100 place. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 come in tens place. 1 add to the 100 place. 1 add to the 100 place. For example, 1378 plus 4325. Round off nearest 100. Again you make a two column estimated sum, then second actual sum. Then first 1378, round off nearest 100. Which place you look? Tens place. Here which digit come in tens place? 7. There is change in 100 place? Yes. Then ones place 0, tens place 0, 100 place 4, then 1000 place 1. Next number 4325. Which place we look? Tens place. Here which digit come in tens place? 2. Yes, there is a change in 100 place? No. Then ones place 0, tens place 0, 100 place 3, 1000 place 4. Then add this number. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 4 plus 3, 7, 1 plus 4, 5. Okay. Then actual sum 1378 plus 4325. Then add 8 plus 5, 13, carrying 1. 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 1, 10, carrying 1. 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. 1 plus 4, 5. Understand? Next, round off nearest 1000. Round off nearest 1000. Round off nearest 1000. Which place we look? 100 place. Which are the digit? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Come in 100 place. There is no change in 1000 place. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Come in 100 place. 1 add to the 1000 place. For example, 5378 plus 6929. Again 2 column, estimated and actual. Here 5378. Which digit come in 100 place? 3. There is a change in 1000 place? No. Ones place 0, tens place 0, 100 place also 0, 5. Then next number 6929. Which digit come in 100 place? 9. There is a change in 1000 place? Yes. Then we write ones place 0, tens place 0, 100 place 0, 1000 place go to 7. Then add 0, 0, 0, 5 plus 7, 12. Here 5378, 6929. Then add 8 plus 9, 17, carrying 1. 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 1, 10, carrying 1. 3 plus 9, 12, 12 plus 1, 13, carrying 1. 5 plus 6, 11, 11 plus 1, 12. Understand? Yes, next solving problem. Here Meena has 437 apples, 520 oranges and 345 mangoes. What is the total fruits she has? In addition, WH words are in addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, any. WH words are not come in statement. What are the words not come in statement? What, how many, how much, find. Again, what, how many, how much and find are not come in statement. Then how to identify? This question is an addition. In question, in all, then together, then total. What are the words? In all, together, total. Come in question. Therefore, that question is addition. Here which word come? Total come. Here which total come. Therefore, this question is addition. Understand? Then, statement, solution. Number of apples. Number of apples is equal to how many? 437. Then next line, number of oranges is equal to 520. Then next, number of mangoes is equal to 345. The next line, total fruits, total number of fruits. Then you add 7 plus 5, 12, carrying 1, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 1, 10, carrying 1, 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 3, 12, 12 plus 1, 13. Then final answer you write, answer, then which word you use? Hence, therefore, so. Which are the words you use in statement? Hence, H-E-N-C-E. Again, H-E-N-C-E. Hence or so or therefore. Now we hear hence 1302 fruits she has. Hence 1300 fruits in all. This also write here. Understand? Thank you for listening me.